boost your English, master the phrase, up your game. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, up your game. Understanding phrases like this can really enhance your fluency. So, let's get started and discover what it means to up your game in English. Up your game is an idiomatic expression that means to improve your performance or skills in a particular area. It's often used in a competitive context, but it can apply to any situation where there is room for improvement. The phrase, up your game, likely comes from the world of sports, where players are constantly striving to perform at their best. It suggests the idea of leveling up, or elevating one's ability to meet a challenge. You can use up your game both as encouragement or a personal goal. For example, if you want to win the championship, you'll need to up your game. I've been working hard to up my game at work. Let's see how up your game might appear in everyday conversation. In school, you've got finals next week? Time to up your game with studying. At work, our competitors have improved their software. We need to up our game to stay ahead. There you have it. Now you know how to use the phrase, up your game, to talk about improving in any aspect of life. Keep practicing, and you'll surely up your game in English. See you in the next video.